Hello everyone, welcome to our new tutorial. Today's topic is how to use joins in SQL Server. So let's start. Uh, let's see what our joins are saying. Joins are used for joining both the tables with the relationship as the primary key in the first table and the foreign key in the second table, and retrieving the data from more than one table. We can perform joins in more than one table. As we can see, joins are used to joining the more than one table with the using of relationship in the sense means, suppose the first table contains the primary key, which is the foreign key in the second table. So we will discuss in our previous video about the relationship. So now today we are going to discuss about the joins. It is the simple formula for joining the more than one table and display the records according to the search result query. So we can see here how to use joins, and we will discuss here the different type of joins in the SQL Server. Okay, the basic structure is that we can perform the joins in more than one table. The requirement is it must be more than one table so that you will use joins. Okay, so let's start. A common column must exist between both the tables. With a single select query can retrieve the record for more than one table. A common column in the sense means, suppose that table 1 contains the primary key, which will be foreign key in the second table. So the primary key column is the common column in the table, so which will be used by select query. So let's see how to use joins by practical. So let's see. Today we are going to learn about joins. So as I have already created the my sample database here, so we are going to create here using two tables, the employee table and the department table. So uh, this is the code for the employee and department table. I will create the table of employee in which the employee number, employee name and employee salary record, and I will create the department table which is having department number, department name and the employee number. Okay, so employee number must be common, so we required at least one common column in the tables. So here we are, common column is a employee number. Oops, sorry, employee number. Okay, so this is the structure of our board table. This is our employee table and this is our department table. So here are we are going to insert some records. I've entered 4 records of an employee table. Here's the employee number, employee name and the salary, and I will also inserted the 4 record in the department table. Here is the department table, department number, department name, and you see employee number. So the common thing is the employee number, 1, employee number 2. Okay, so here are the our records. So let's start about the joins. Before starting joins, we will discuss about different types of joins. Okay, so here are the types of joins. There are different type of joins. You can search on the internet and you can study in the books and different study location. That uh, first type of join is the inner join, and second is outer join. In outer join there are different 3 types of outer join. We will discuss about them. First is a left outer join, right outer join and the full outer join, or we can say full join, and the third one is the cross join. So let's start with these joins by seeing their each example. We can create some query and I will display you by using a example. Okay, let's start with inner join. So inner join is basically nothing. It is, suppose we are here taking here 2 tables, the employee table and the department table. So this is the employee table, circle is of employee table and this circle is of department table. So if we using the inner join query, which in the sense means the common thing, the common record between the employee table and the department table should be displayed using the inner join. If we write the query, which will be write, so select something from employee table and also from the department table using the inner join, on which the employee number should be equals to the department table employee number. So the result will be display will be those record which are having common in both the table should be displayed in the inner join. Let's see by example. So here let's start. We are seeing here employee table. So before that, the joining the employee table, select we want to display the record of employee table and the department table. So we are going to select the employee record, employee number, employee name, employee salary, and from department table we are going to use department number and department name. So let's see, e dot, what is the e? It will be the instance of employee table I will be using. How to use, I will show you. E dot employee number, e dot employee name, e dot employee salary. Now from the department table, d dot, I will use d for the department table, d dot department number, and d dot department name. Okay, we are not going to display the employee number because it is the common in both the table. So department name, from employee table, e, you will see here e, I will be using e from here. From inner join, next table department, I will be using here d. Okay, so d on e dot, which is the common employee number, is equals to d dot employee number. So let's understand our query. Okay, so I will selecting the employee number, employee name, and employee salary record from the employee table, and department number and department name, department number and department name record from the department table. I will inner join the employee table from department D. On the basis of record will be displayed, the employee number of the employee table should be equals to the employee number of the department table. Those records are displayed. So it will show only those records which are common in both the tables. So let's execute it. Okay, so here is the output: employee number, employee name, employee salary, and the same employee is of department number this and department name of this. So there are 3 employees of name Robin, Ajay, and Preeti, having the employee salary of this and this, which are on the department number 601, 602, 603, and they have the department name. So we are having here 3 records. So it will be display only those records which are the common in both the table. Here we are having the 4th record, but the 4th report is not will be selected because the employee number of this record is different, so it may not be linked to this. So this is the basic use of inner join. You will the output will be of common. You can do one more thing. Instead of using the inner keyword, you simply use the join. It will also display and working as the inner join. Here you can see. Okay, so this is our inner join. Now move to our next join. Our next join is of type of outer join. Outer join we read 3 type of joins: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So first we discuss about the left outer join. Okay, left outer join will be shown here as this, that the 2 table employee and department. In this type of join, the left table having the common result will be displayed as the inner join, but is the rest of the records of the left table will also be shown. Suppose if there is a null in this fields having common, so it will show null. Okay, so let's see the left outer join, how to use left outer join. Okay, so here is a record. Select e dot employee number, e dot employee name e dot uh, what are the records, employee salary, and from the department it is department number and department name, d dot department number, d dot department name, from employee e employee e, and here we are using, sorry, I oops, left outer join. So I was using a left join to the department D. So here selecting the fields, and from the table employee, which will be left join to department D, on e dot employee e dot employee number equals to d dot employee number. So let's start the query. We will execute it here. So here we have seen here the different result in the sense this employee number, we have added one more record is going to display, as I have told you that if it contains the null record then it will shows the null record, so it will display all the values, all the record of left side table in the left outer join, all the record from the left table and the record from the right table. If it does not matches the record then it will display the null value. So this is the left outer join. You can do one more thing. If we selecting the all the columns from the same from a table, then we doesn't need to write all the column name. In place of this we simply write e dot star, which means where the employee table, star means all the employee. So let execute, select it, and here, so it will be make your query shorter, look nice. So it is a left outer join. Okay, so as same here, left right outer join, the same reverse in the right outer join. All the record of the department table will be displayed, and if the employee record does not match, it will show the null at that column. So we will nothing do here, just simply change the right from left from right. So let execute it. Okay, so here is our employee name. As I will show you, it will display all the record in the here, all the record of the department table will be displayed here, and yeah, here department name, department number, name, number, name, and the record if doesn't match then it will display the null of the left outer join. So basically simple logic is, if using left outer join, left it means all the record of the left side table will be displayed full, and in outer join all the record of the right outer join will be displayed full. So this is the left and right outer join. So if we talk about full outer join, so let's see. If you using the full outer join, simply just replace the this by full outer join and execute. So in the full outer join, as you can see colored, all the records, either matched records or not matched records, null value, all the null value should be displayed, but it doesn't display the matching cases. So let's see, all the record of employee should be displayed, all the record of department should be displayed, but the cases of null also be displayed. This record doesn't have any match in the department table, so it will display null, and this record of department doesn't have any match of employee, so it will display null. So all the records will be displayed in the full outer join. Okay, so this is our full outer join. Now let's move to the next cross join. The last join is the cross join. Simply cross join is nothing but the product multiplication of both the tables. if the table on the left side contains X record and the table on the right side contains Y records, then the product of the both the tables are calculated and the result of the both the tables are X, Y. Suppose if the as we see in our previous the records of employee and the records of department table. Suppose this is the X table and this is the Y table. So in cross join, simply the product of the both the tables record will be displayed. So X into Y. Suppose it having a 2 records and department having 3 records. So 2 into 3, that is 6 record will be shown. Currently we are having 4 records, so 4 records of employee table and 4 record of department table. So 4 into 4, that means 16. Total number of records will be displayed in the cross join will be 16. Let's see with the example. In cross join, each record on the left table joins with each record on the right table and the result is calculated. Just simply every record of this is multiplied to the this record and every record of this will be multiplied by this record. So let's see how to use cross. Select e dot employee number, e dot employee name, e dot employee salary, comma d dot department number, d dot department name from employee. What was our join name? It should be cross join. Cross join department D. We were not using here the on keyword and join the query on the basis of the common employee, because here we are going to display the product, the multiplication of the records, so that will be non-applicable. There is a simple query and let execute it. Okay, how many rows you will see here? 16 rows. So I will show you the 16 record, because it will contain 4 records and this table contains 4 records. So our first table contains 4 and multiply by second table contains 4, so 4 4 is 16. So 16 record will be shown in the cross table. In the cross join, simply a multiplication of both the tables will be displayed. So here you see employee name, department name, and this is so these are the joins we are going to use in SQL Server. You are going to use as per the basis of the requirement. So and I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any query related the joins or any other, then please comment us. And if you like any topic on which you like that we create on that topic video, so you just simply comment the name of the topic and we will create the video on that topic as soon as possible. And thanks for watching, and please do like and support our channel. You subscribe our channel, we will create more interesting videos on interesting ways and let you to enjoy the technology and programming. So thanks guys, thanks for watching.